we're here to show you a very fun
lesson.
It's going to be an awesome art project. And you can use things that you find around your house to make this awesome art project.
These are paint.
First we got paint. We chose a few different colors. We have enough paint brushes, one for each color, but if you have a cup of water, you can use that too and clean your brush after every time you use it. We also have these Q-tips.
They're cute.
So we have Q-tips. And then what are these?
Paper towel.
Paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls, whatever you have extra in your house. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to be making lots of beautiful flowers using these materials. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take your paper towel roll and you want to cut it. And I'll show you how to do that on this paper towel roll right here. You just want to take your scissors and cut a little bit straight lines towards the center all the way.
You did it by yourself.
Around, that's right. Then the next step is we're going to fold the pieces back. Do you want to help me folding these pieces back?
Yeah.
We're going to fold them back. Awesome. Now, I made one with cuts that were very close together. And then I made one with cuts that were further apart. These are going to create different shaped flowers. You can also, now come a little closer, if you'd like, you can cut off the edges. Now you don't have to do this, but you can cut off the corners of each piece that sticks out. And then you can create different shaped petals. So I'm cutting off my corners. And then that way, we'll have different shaped petals. Check it out. Awesome. Okay, so now we can start. I'm going to put my scissors away.
I love your different shaped petals.
Oh, well, thank you so much. I'm going to choose, Zebbie, I'm going to show you how to do this, and then you can also start. I want to work with this one first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about what color I want to use. I want to use some red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint.
And let it dry for only you.
On each one. And I get a little bit of extra paint, more than I would if I'm painting on a paper. Just a little bit more. And then, put this down. Let me move these flower petals on the side so you can see. So now I have my paint. And all I'm going to do is push, push, push.
But I don't
and
want
then
to
you can
push
also
it
use your hands to push each petal down.
I don't want to push it down to make mine.
That's fine. You can do whatever you'd like. And now I'm going to try this one over here. So I want yellow. So like I said, you could get some extra paint on there, right on those petal parts. I'm trying to keep it just on this so that I don't use too much paint. And now I'm just going to push, and you can also even push and swirl.
And then you let this dry to make your own one, right?
You can also, Zebbie's suggesting you could save these toilet paper rolls as an art project itself. Because look, once you put them together, it looks like a very beautiful bouquet of flowers. So you have two projects here. You have painting the flower paper, and you can also create your own bouquet of flowers using these toilet paper rolls. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the Q-tip to create some flowers. I want to use some orange, so I'm going to dip it in the orange, and dot, dot, and I'm just painting little dots in a circle pattern.
With
A
these?
circle shape, I'm sorry.
With these?
With the Q-tip, yeah. I'll show you. You can have all different shapes. And also take some green and create some petals. And you can dip your paint, push and slide. Dip your paint, push and slide. Oops. And you can use the Q-tips also to create centers for your flowers.
Oops, I need a little more.
And I'll use some yellow on the center of this flower. And maybe I'll decide to do another one of these. Oh, maybe I'll do blue this time.
Mom, look.
Oh, you can use as many Q-tips as you need with different colors. You can use it any way you want. You can slide and drag. You can dip and drop. It's your art, and this you can use any style you'd like. I'm going to paint this part.
You're doing it your own way.
Yeah, and that's great. Everybody's can be different.
But
Now
mine
I'm
can
going
be.
to push. I wanted to push this one
Oh,
instead
I love
of
you.
dropping. Push.
Look, my hands are not even dirty.
Check it out. Look at my garden of flowers.
I can
Have fun creating your garden of flowers using the materials that you choose.
You can let those dry and these dry.
That's right. And now I have my bouquet and I have my garden.
Look, my dirty.
Let's say goodbye and have fun.
Have a good.
Goodbye. Have fun.